how to cash out in Firekirin, ready to turn your amazing catches into the cold hard cash. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire cash out process so you can get a winning quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First things first, it's important to remember that Firekirin is typically played through the authorized distributors or asset. This means you can't directly cash out within the game itself. Instead, you will need to contact your agent or distributor. They are the ones who handle the money transaction. The available cash out methods can vary depending upon your asset. Some common options include Cash App, Venmo, Jelly, Bitcoin, direct bank transfer, which is less common. Make sure you know what your agent offers before you start playing. It saves a lot of headaches later. Okay, let's walk through a standard cash out request. The first step is to contact your agent directly. Explain what you want to do. Something like, "Hi, your agent name. I would like to cash out ... amount." Your agent will then likely ask you for your account ID or username and the payment method that you prefer. Provide them with the necessary information. Double check that you have entered your account ID or payment details correctly. A typo can delay or even prevent your cash out. Be prepared to provide a proof of identity to your agent. They may ask for the screenshot of your ID and a recent utility bill. This is to protect against a fraud. Now let's cover some crucial things to do to keep in mind. Be passive. Cash out times can vary depending upon the asset. Don't bombard them with the messages every 5 minutes. A respectful inquiry after a reasonable time is fine. Second, confirm fees. Some agent might charge a small processing fee for the cash out. Ask about this beforehand so there are no surprises. The third thing is minimum cash out amount. Most agents have minimum amounts you need to cash out. Find out what that amount is earlier. Next is only use the trusted agent. This is a huge. Stick with reputable distributors to avoid scams. Ask for the recommendation from other players and do your research. Next is terms and conditions. Make sure you understand the agent's terms and conditions for cashing out. And the last, only cash out money that are fine losing. Cash out amounts that you can miss and don't depend on. And that's it. Cashing out in Firekirin is usually a straightforward process as long as you follow the steps and work with a reputable agent. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and happy fishing and good luck catching those big fins.